Hi everybody, welcome to the Praxis Core Test Prep website and ASULearn. My name is Dr. Alicia Muhammad. I am one of the facilitators in the Praxis Core site and an advisor in the James Center for Student Success. And I wanted to get you all started on the site and kind of walk you through how to take advantage of the materials and resources here. So we're here in ASULearn. You have logged in on the ASULearn Projects tab. The Praxis Core site will be indefinitely on the Projects tab, so you'll have access until you don't have access. If you want to go back to ASULearn, you all will click on this link here, go to ASULearn. That will take you back to your main courses for the fall semester. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is what you're doing now. Watch this video. This video is designed to kind of give you the information you need to get through the site. This top portion of the ASULearn gives you information about the Praxis Core series, how to apply to Wright College of Ed, and then we have a student question form which I will come back to you all later in this video. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm going to scroll down to the Earn Your Praxis Lesson Completion Badge. This is the area of the site that's most important. This is 3 lessons, one for each of the Praxis tests, one for writing, one for math, and one for reading. You all will go through these 3 lessons. It's going to give you an overview of everything on the Praxis site. If some of you have taken the Praxis, this is a review for you, and you'll have the opportunity to opt out of the lesson and still earn the badge. Okay. So the objectives of this lesson, these 3 lessons, is to give you exposure to some specific ETS Praxis content in each of the tests for writing, reading, and math. You're going to create a personalized viewpoint of where you need to study for each of the 3 tests. You're going to solve some sample problems that are taken directly from the ETS webpage. And then you're going to identify some opportunities to seek support on campus, whether it's tutoring, one-on-one advising and consulting, getting information on the Praxis Core web workshops that are happening right now, and then identify how you're going to do your individualized study plan. So these 3 lessons need to be completed first. They're the most important aspect of this site. And when you go to get consultation, you should already have these 3 completed and your badge earned. Your completion badge will show up in your profile page, which will look like this here. It will show that you have completed the ASULearn 3 lessons. Alright, so let's go back to the site. I'm going to scroll down some more. So this second section are resources specifically from the Praxis ETS webpage. There's a link here to show you how to register for the Praxis Core test with transcripts and video demonstrations on taking the test. I highly recommend that you either look at, you're going to have to run Adobe, that you look at these videos because they're going to help you identify with the information on the test. So if you click, you can have captions on or captions off. I'm going to go with captions on here.
Welcome to the Praxis Computer Delivered Testing Demonstration. You will learn about the main features common to all of the tests, including logging in, navigation, and types of questions.
So this is an important video for you. You can again have this closed caption, or we've got the transcript here on the testing demonstration. I think it's going to be helpful for you. So once you finish the badging here, go ahead and look at the 2 videos. Okay, this video is what to expect on the test day. It's also important
In the following few minutes, you will see a preview of what to expect when you visit a test center to take your computer-delivered Praxis examination.
Hi, I'm here for the practice test.
Yes, please.
Kwang.
All right, so those two are very critical here. So that's these two videos, very critical for your preparation. Success on the Praxis test is 50% just knowing what you're walking into. So these two videos are going to be critical in helping to get you started. This next, save to your computer. These are 3 files that will be important as you work through your study plan. Okay, these are the 3 study companions that ETS provides everyone for free. They give you a full detail. You can open them up in Adobe. The full detail of the Praxis core test. Each of these 3 are formatted in a similar way. You can go through and actually see what's on the test. This is the math. There are sample questions. They give you information on what's on the test here and what you need to take the test. I highly recommend that you download these 3 and save them to your computer. All right, let's go to the next section. Once you complete the badge here, these 3 lessons, you will have access to this sample timed Praxis core exam. This is a full multiple choice quiz that will just give you specific practice on working through problems within a designated time frame. So this is, I think it's about 27 problems, and you have 30 minutes to complete it. You're going to want to simulate a testing situation. The test will cut off at 30 minutes. What you want to do is click the link. You're going to go through the exam. It's 29 minutes. You get 3 attempts to take this, and it's just, again, to get you comfortable taking a test within a timed environment. Okay? And then finally, at the bottom, we have, these are all paid resources. If you have some funds to invest, I would highly suggest that you go ahead and purchase these. They're actual practice tests that look like the original Praxis core, but again, these are paid tests. And then finally, we have different study materials. The Math Tutoring Lab information is here. The Writing Center, they will provide you with one-on-one essay support and grammar and mechanics support to help you pass the writing and reading portion of the exam. They have very good service to walk through the rubrics with you, the Praxis rubrics, so you can help take the test. All right, so that's the site generally. What I want to show you, this last page, the student question forum. This is where you will interact with myself, some of the other faculty in the College of Education, some of the other folks in the James Center. We are all here to support your success. We do post a reading, writing, and math problem of the day, so you can go in here. These will be pushed out to your email, and you can work through the problems. These are all aligned with ETS questions. So this is an algebra problem of the day that we pushed out. So we'll give you the question, and then you'll have to work it, and then if you scroll down, you'll get the answer with the solution. So we have several problems of the day here, as you can see. We've done the same with the reading and writing. Let me go there. Reading problem, same thing. We'll give you a passage and then some multiple choice. You can scroll down. This is just good exposure to help you with your test preparation. Additionally, students will ask questions about the Praxis test. The student here is about to take the test, was looking for some resources before. So we'll all go in and faculty and staff and help students with questions that they have. Feel free to add a new discussion topic. If you have a question, somebody will get your question and respond within that day. So you can see there's a lot of resources here. I hope that you all take advantage of this important aspect. So that's the Praxis Core site. We wish you luck and take care.